Hello, class. My article dives into the explanation and different perspectives of tort law and tort reform. Chapter 9 entails tort law and product liability, leaving me to think that this article fits very well into our module. Tort law is a body of civil law that sets forth the categories of injuries to people or property that can be dealt with in court and provides the basis for remedying the wrong. In recent decades, plaintiffs in tort cases have increasingly been awarded substantial sums of money as compensation, most significantly in mass tort cases called class action lawsuits, filed against large companies. Some people feel as the plaintiff in certain litigation cases like class action suits have been heavily favored against big companies and corporations. Proponents of tort reform argue that there should be limits placed on liability and damages. On the other hand, people that agree with trending favoring towards the plaintiff versus big business and tort law state that tort laws are viewed as the most reliable way to prevent companies from breaching the public trust, and in event that such companies are liable for damages, to ensure that they pay compensation to those that they have injured. Tort law is handled under civil law, which is the body of laws regulating the interactions between individuals as well as between individuals and companies. In the U.S., contemporary tort law is grouped into categories on the basis of whether the tort is deemed intentional, negligent, or is a case in which strict liability applies. Previously, manufacturers were largely protected from liability for any adverse effects that their products caused, and employees had little legal recourse if they were injured as a result of poor working conditions. A few early tort cases broke with this tradition, however, and started a significant trend that persists today. Tort law evolved considerably in the latter half of the 20th century. My personal stance on tort law is with the people and the plaintiff. I believe that big corporations do not have our best interest in mind, and that tort law is a crucial part of holding corporate America accountable, which has not been done very well in the past. Thanks for listening.